collaboration and knowledge exchange. This initiative fosters a spirit of collaboration and knowledge exchange between our nations. By working closely with the Republic of Korean experts, we can learn from their experiences and best practices, further strengthening our healthcare system. 4 is patient-centered care. Ultimately, this initiative is about improving the lives of our patients. By providing access to minimally invasive surgical options, we are offering our citizens the best possible care.
Our government offered a grant of $500,000 towards the improvement of minimally invasive surgery in Bulago Hospital. This comprehensive donation includes laparoscope, endoscope, X-ray machines, surgical gowns, staplers, and various surgical consumables. I am confident that these state-of-the-art instruments will undoubtedly enhance Bulago Hospital's capacity to deliver quality healthcare services to the people of Uganda.
We are in a very good space, and we have really worked on the skill sets. We are already, the boys are really refined with the mindsets also. We're looking forward for the ICC event, and I can assure you that we're going to put up our best show. As you see, there's a lot of hype about the ICC event. So that's what one of the areas where I'm trying to work it on, because this is the first World Cup event for them, and just trying to update them what are the things they are, they should expect, because there will be a lot of crowd and a lot of music on the ground, because it's a T20 World Cup. In T20 there is a lot of things happens to get that momentum going for the fan base also. So just telling them just to get a good control of their nerves and try and focus on the cricket. So I'm trying to work on this, like when to switch on and when to switch off. So boys are in really good shape and they understand their roles now.